Hi guys, and welcome to Hex tutorial. For this video, I'll be sharing you a platform where you can sell your products online easily. Okay guys, let's talk about what is PayHip. PayHip is the easiest way to sell digital, physical products and courses. If you don't know how to create a website and you have something to sell, this is perfect for you. From this platform, you can sell your products directly to your customer. What is good in PayHip is that it gives you a chance to start selling for free, but it will deduct a 5% transaction fee every time you sell something with this platform. Okay, let's take a look on the pricing of PayHip. So what is good thing in PayHip is that it is good for beginners, especially if you don't have yet a budget for your monthly fees, because it gives you a free plan where you could use all the features, you can sell unlimited products and you can take the unlimited revenue. They will just take a 5% of each product that you're selling. For example, you sold a $100 product. They will just get the $5 and they will send to your PayPal account the $95. And if your business is growing, that your product is selling faster, you can have this $29 per month, the plus plan of PayHip, so that 2% will be deducted to your transaction fee. So if you sold another $100, then they will just get the $2 plus $29 per month. And if you are selling your products and you're collecting more than $1,000 per month, you can have this pro plan so that there is no transaction fee and you have a fixed payment per month. Okay, so it will depends on how fast your products are before you upgrade your plan on PayHip. Okay, so now I will walk you through inside PayHip to see what are the features that you can do inside PayHip platform. Okay, let's go to PayHip. Okay, I'm here now on my PayHip account, and all the products that I'm selling, it can be seen in here. These are the books, the ebooks that I'm selling, and this is the course. I just made a testing course for PayHip. Okay, so it means that all the products, the courses, all the products that you're selling will appear on your dashboard. Okay, so let's go to my store link. Here's the store link of my store. So let's go inside. So the good thing in PayHip is that you can have a lot of niche and you can sell different niches in here. For example, for love, life, and health inspiration, I have an ebook in here. And for affiliate ebooks, this is it. Okay, so let's go back to the dashboard and I will show you more features of PayHip. So let's go to products. These are all the products I just shown you a while ago, which is also there in dashboard. You can see in dashboard your store. This is where you can edit your store. You can have a blog post and you can add your domains if you have a existing domain. Okay, so let's go now to PayHip Analytics. This is one great thing in PayHip because you can check your analytics individually on the products that you are selling. Okay, at the same time you can have you can check your daily sales. You can check the sales breakdown. you can check the top 10 visitor sources, the conversion rate, and the map where you can check where your customer are coming from. Okay, so let's go to marketing. So here I can create a coupon code where I can give to my customer for them to have a discount, or I can give also a social discounts wherein I will encourage them to share the link of my products in order for them to have a discount. Affiliates, I will give them link to spread my products, and I will give them a commission. So if I have a mailing list, then I can just set up mailing list in here. I can just add in here. If I have a eWeber, GetResponse, Elastic Email, Drip, ConvertKit, Campaign Monitor. So cross-selling, when my customer add a products on their cart, I will offer them another products. And referral, wherein I can incentivize my customers in order for my products to sell faster. So upgrade, I will encourage my customer to buy other product with a special discount because they already bought the products from me. Okay, let's go to customer. Here you can see the customers that bought your ebooks, and you can see here your subscribers, email updates, sales reports, and you can check also here your followers. Okay, so here you can see your settings, or you can set up your store, payment details, billing invoices, taxes, shipping, advanced setting, login setting, and developer. Okay, so now let's go to store builder. Here you can edit your page, or you can edit your store, just like the header, the collection, contact us. You can add also something like, for example, testimonial. Just click here and add something you want to add, and then after that you can publish. Okay, so I think that's all for today, and thank you for watching. And if you don't have yet an account of payhip.com, I'll just leave the link in the description down below. And if you could kindly click the like button and subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. Thank you, and see you in the next video.